Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in PracticeMaster. Today we're going to talk about the date calculator. So this is a feature that a lot of people don't know that we actually have in our system, and I'm going to show you how that works and where to get to it. So I'm going to start a calendar entry, and I'm just going to click on a new one. And I just want to get a date. I want to calculate it out to a certain point in time. If I just click on the little drop down next to the due date here, it opens up our little date calculator. And I can go out and I can click over to where I want to be in whatever year, or I can use my quick date calculator. I can say today, or these are just my basics, but it's right over here in this little box. And a lot of people don't know that this is here. So if I click the quick date calculator, I can create a quick date out here if I want to that I can just use anytime. So if I have one that I just want to say is 60 days in advance, I could create a 60 days in advance. Or I could just adjust whatever that date would be down here. So if I'm on the 17th over here right now, I can adjust the original date by 60 days and our months or weeks or whatever it is that I want. And I could even move it to the next work day if I needed to. And I could adjust it by so many days for mail delivery if I wanted to. And I can count mail days only if I want to. And then I can also even make sure that it's using the right holidays that I want. So if you have other holidays out here, like I've got the Jewish holidays in here, and I've also got the standard holidays. So depending on which one that I want to use, I can do that. And so it's calculating out here and showing me that it's January 16th. And I've even said move it to the next work day so that that's there. If I take that off, it's going, or if I adjust it for mail days, only count so many mail days. You can see it's pushing those out for me for mail delivery. And down here, you can see my clicker here is moving. And I did it 60 so we could actually still see it on the calendar here. And it would still show me, but I just wanted to show you the difference here. So because I'm going to take that out and not adjust it, because the Friday is a mail day and it's 60 days out, it is going ahead and it's doing that for the work day. And if I just say, okay, it's automatically calculating out my date for me for that particular event or task or whatever it is that I'm doing. If this is something that I want to keep, again, I can create a quick calculate here, or quick date calculate, can't say that very well, quick date calculator. I can create that and save it. So this is always 60 days, including those adjusting by mail days and all that. I could give it a name that's 60 days and adjusting mail days, whatever I want there, and save it. And then next time when I come in, I can just say I want to use that one. It would be a drop down. So let me just put in a test one, and I'll put in 60, just like we just created a moment ago. With 60 days, I'll count weekends and holidays. And again, you don't have to. And I'll say okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and say okay for this one. And now I've got that out there. But now if I came in to do a new one, and I'm going to get out of this, and I'm not going to save it. And I wanted to click on that and use that particular one I had just saved. There it is with my test. And see, this one was a negative 120 days somebody had created in there. But I could just use this test, say okay, and it pre-populates all of those things I already had created. And I can just use it and say okay, and it'll calculate out for my day. You can see it's already pushing out here for that. And there's my January 16th. So that's our date calculator. I hope it's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.